Hey there, welcome back to Rudo Digital, where we help you master the art and science of digital marketing. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical skills in SEO and content marketing, keyword research. By the end of this video, you'll know how to uncover the right keywords to drive traffic, rank higher, and connect with your audience like a pro. Let's get started. Why keyword research matters. First, let's understand why keyword research is so important. Keyword research helps you, 1. Understand your audience. Learn what your audience is searching for. 2. Increase visibility. Target the exact terms that can drive traffic. 3. Optimize content. Align your content with user intent. 4. Outperform competitors. Find opportunities to rank for untapped keywords. Step 1. Brainstorm seed keywords. Let's get into the process. The first step is to brainstorm seed keywords. Start by thinking about the main topics or services your business focuses on. Ask yourself, what products or services do you offer? What problems does your audience need to solve? What questions do they frequently ask? Write down these terms as your seed keywords. Step 2. Use keyword tools. Next, we'll use keyword research tools to expand your list. Here are some top tools. 1. Google Keyword Planner, great for beginners. 2. SEMrush or Ahrefs, advanced tools for in-depth analysis. 3. Answer the Public, perfect for understanding user questions. 4. Google Search Console, analyze your existing performance. These tools will provide search volume, competition level, and related keywords. Pro tip: look for a mix of high volume and low competition keywords. Step 3. Analyze keyword intent. Not all keywords are created equal. The next step is analyzing keyword intent. Keywords typically fall into 3 categories. 1. Informational intent, for users looking for answers or knowledge, e.g., what is SEO? 2. Navigational intent, for users searching for specific websites or brands, e.g., Google Analytics login. 3. Transactional intent, for users ready to make a purchase, e.g., buy running shoes online. Focus on keywords that align with your content goals. Step 4. Check competitor keywords. Want to find shortcuts? Check what your competitors are ranking for. With tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs, you can uncover competitors' top-performing keywords. This can inspire your strategy and help you identify gaps to exploit. Step 5. Prioritize and plan. Now that you have a long list of potential keywords, it's time to prioritize. Create a spreadsheet to organize your keywords by 1. Search volume. How many people are searching for it? 2. Keyword difficulty. How hard is it to rank? 3. Relevance. Does it match your audience's needs? 4. Intent. Is it aligned with your goals? Focus on keywords that balance these factors. Once you've prioritized your keywords, map them to your content. Create blog posts, landing pages, or videos targeting those terms. And don't forget to monitor your performance regularly using Google Analytics or Search Console. That's it. You now have a step-by-step strategy to do keyword research like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next tips. Have questions about keyword research? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.